Trimmings arrive separately, verifying freshness now. Texture and color are good, checking temperature.
Receiving smoked sausage salt. Checking fly certificate matches the box. 2024, all documents are in order. Receiving curing salt and spice mix. Curing salt matches recipe. Granular, white. Spice mix confirmed. Blend for smoked sausage.
Smoked sausage ice or chilled water for mixing is prepared to control batter temperature. Smoke materials and liquid smoke inputs are verified for consistent flavor delivery. This liquid pH 4 points back. Incoming materials are sampled per the QC plan. We inspect each sample for quality before production. The fat is stirred to distribute heat evenly. Chilling to the target temperature ensures clean grinding. Smoked sausage fat is ground separately to control final texture and particle definition. Smoked sausage mixers and grinders are sanitized and verified clean before use. This ensures safe and high-quality production.
Alarm systems tested and confirmed. Chill systems operation at -2 degrees Celsius.
First, add the curing salt. Next, add the brown sugar. Then, add the black pepper. Mix thoroughly until evenly combined. Smoked sausage batter temperature is controlled with ice or chilled water during mixing. Smoked sausage mixture may be refined in a bowl chopper to reach the target emulsion. Smoked sausage batter is vacuum mixed to reduce trapped air and improve slice quality. The internal temperature is steadily rising. Target temperature reached, safety confirmed. The temperature is now logged in the digital system. After cooling, smoked sausages are dried and stabilized to protect the casing's appearance. Vacuum sealing removes air to prevent spoilage. Gas flushing adds protective gas to extend shelf life.